We have a 2005 Toyota Corolla with the check engine light on with a code P0420 indicating low efficiency of the catalyst, which could mean a bad catalytic converter, but there's also a number of other things that could cause this issue. And so I wanted to show you my setup here to test for an exhaust leak, which is also a likely cause. So here I have my shop vac set up with the exhaust hooked up to the hose here, and I have it just duct taped to the tailpipe to pressure up the exhaust system. And any leak should show up. I have some soapy water I'll be spraying up here around the exhaust manifold. So I'm going to turn this vacuum on and we're going to see what happens here. So I'll get a light down here where we can see where this exhaust pipe connects to the exhaust manifold, and there is our leak. So that would be the commonly known as a donut gasket leaking. So I'm going to try to replace that, reset the check engine light, and see if that doesn't fix the issue. Thank you.